Hey travel lovers, welcome back to A Wanderlust for Life here on YouTube. Today we are in Amsterdam and we are going to unbox a local food package. So let's get into it. If you saw our last video, you might be a little confused why I'm doing a video this week. Basically, during this time, it's March 2020, I wasn't really sure that I wanted to do videos and just do a video just because, but we decided to order this box of different foods from a local company that to me is like a co-op. It's called Kitchen Republic. Co-op's probably the wrong word, but a lot of small food businesses run through this company, and they are doing a package of food products to share with the community so these businesses can survive. And I just thought it was a cool idea. I want to just share it with you. I also want you to look around your own community and see what small businesses you can support if that's something that you are able to do. Before we get too far, I want to remind you to like the video if you do enjoy this kind of video, and please subscribe because that really helps me out, definitely in the hard times. So let's dive in. So this just came. The thank you note, that's so sweet. So again, it's Kitchen Republic is who put all this together, but it's individual companies inside. So first we have a sandwich with ponzu, black sesame, ginger, and I think Lukowitz, that's who is doing this. Their whole thing is edible luxury. So that should be really interesting to try. I see cheese. What is that, kimchi maybe? Awesome, we'll have to dive into that later. Baked in Amsterdam. So I remember reading about this guy. He is, I believe from Australia, used to be a corporate lawyer, fell in love with baking, and now this is a half a loaf of banana bread. You can buy this at the grocery store Markt. For our American viewers, that's like Whole Foods here. And also, Lot 61 Coffee has their chocolate chip cookies, which I'm a little bummed they did not put in here. I'm really wanting some chocolate chip cookies. All right, what else? Continuing with the baked goods, I think you pronounce this no-no cakes. It's funny. They are a vegan bakery, and this is a chocolate brownie. So their whole idea is that when you're vegan, you don't have to give up everything, and they make delicious little food for you. Can't wait to try that. Vegan or not, it's chocolate. This is from Van de Koe, which means from the cow. It's butter from the cow. It's chili, coriander, or cilantro for Americans, and lime butter. I cannot wait to have this. We just ordered from a local coffee house called Public Space, a big loaf of sourdough bread. This is definitely going on it. And you can find that at Markt as well, I believe. This is from the Greek Deli, and it is from Greece. So they actually bring in their stuff directly from Greece, and it's feta cheese. I mean, you can't go wrong with feta cheese. Am I right? Yes, I am. All right, this is so interesting. I would love to know what you think about this. So the company's called Gruten or Grunten, I'm not sure. Could be Grote, depending on if it's German, Dutch, or yeah. But it's Grunten. I will put all the information for all the companies down below. If you can order online, I'll let you know, and if you can buy them in stores, I'll let you know that as well. This is veggie oats. So think overnight oats, but it supplies you 40% of your vegetables for the day. Crazy. And they come in 3 different cake flavors. This one is carrot cake, and it's this little container. And I love the design on the front. I know, I'm a sucker for design. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, this is Kruisli, so a play on the word muesli. It is a breakfast cereal, and they are one of those companies that uses rescued food. And what I mean by that is food that wasn't the prettiest, maybe it was broken, not big enough, things like that. If you've ever been to Amsterdam and you've been to the restaurant In Stock, it's the same concept. I think they actually work with In Stock. It says you can put yogurt or milk on top, and the flavor is ginger and beet, and yeah. So it's rescued ginger and beets, and I'm sure other stuff too. Breakfast tomorrow. This is Oma's soup. I always want to say that. It's grandma's soup, and this is tomato and basil. I know you can order this online. Right now I think they have a thing where you can get 3 for a week for like 12 euros. And then they give a soup to an elderly person. I'm not sure if that's gonna continue forever, but that's what it is right now. Okay, some things I'm super excited about, some things Sean's gonna be super excited about. This is in the Sean category. This is kimchi. I'm just not a fan of fermented foods, but I respect that it's good for you. I respect that many people find it super tasty, and obviously kimchi is a staple in the Korean diet. So he's gonna be really excited to try this. Yeah, for sure. Look at that. And it's the original flavor. They have a couple different flavors in case you're interested. Similarly, we got sauerkraut. This is from sauerkraut. I just think that's funny. This is golden turmeric kraut. Again, fermented food, not so much for me, but I'll definitely try it all, and I'm really curious what Sean's gonna put this on. I know it can go on a whole host of things. Oh, what is this from? Oh, the kimchi, sorry, it's from Onami kimchi. But again, I'll put everything down below. Just forgot to tell you the name, didn't wanna forget. Lastly, we have Bab's Nourishing Food. This is chicken bone broth. So apparently humans have a problem with collagen and not getting enough of it. And this is a way that they're trying to help that situation. And they gave us 2. I'm so excited. So that is the whole box. It's all empty. And I'm really excited to find out about these new local businesses, or they're new to me at least, and try some new foods as well. So please support your local businesses now and always, because they're always gonna be there for you if you take care of them. If you like this video, please let me know down below. I'm really curious what you think. Should I keep promoting and showcasing these local businesses? I would just love to hear your opinion, because I think it's a really fun thing to do for me, and it can show you what it's like here. But also, if you come to Amsterdam, some of these things are going to be available for you to check out. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.